found this Schwinn at a local thrift store. First impressions, what do you think?
I liked it. It's the colors that I like.
She did want the purple. Is there anything that stands out to you?
Yeah, there's no petals.
Yeah, there is no petals. That's correct. Yes, and we found it, and it actually the back tire wasn't on, so we got the tire back on, and yeah, so it's changed a little rust, tees, a little dirty, flat tire. So we're gonna try to clean this up a little bit. I guess some grease off the chain. Just clean it up. See what happens. Get rid of the seat. Oh yeah, the seat is like yeah, that's not gonna work. Is that gonna work for you?
Yeah.
No. Did you buy a seat today?
I did.
She did. All right. Bicycle has disc brakes. Oh, it almost fell. Don't know anything about those or how do you do them, so that'll be new. But I don't see any crazy rust spots. Just dirty. Just been sitting around. So I did have some pedals, and we're gonna throw those on and clean her up. So let's see what we can do with this. Do you have a name for it yet? No name. Hopefully by the end of the video, we'll see how this goes. All right.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Kickstand tightened.
Yay! What are you doing there, Blackbeard?
Well, you can tell it has a Schrader valve and a regular valve. I can't seem to get this one out.
So
I'll
what do we
probably just do a lot of
what do we find out there, Blackbeard?
yeah, so we're gonna need some tube action. The tube isn't tubing.
Isn't tubing?
It's not tubing. It's not tubular. So we gotta. But if you see that for some reason it has a Schrader valve and a regular valve, so that's
Right.
kind of weird. So we'll have to rip it off and go to the store and put another one on. But that won't stop us from cleaning it.
Right.
Sound alright?
Yeah.
Alright, let me put these on. Look at that.
A pedal.
How do I shoot it? You want the second one on?
Yes, please. It's kind of hard to ride without pedals. I tried that on the pink one. Yes.
sponsored by Zep, but they should be. First ride. What do you think?
It's good. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Probably the best $15 you ever spent? Well, maybe not.
No.
So, we did find some pedals. Got a new seat. And you want some new handlebars.
Just because I think I'm used to the cruiser.
Cruiser handlebars?
Yeah, because this one wants me to sit like this.
Oh, okay.
And I don't like that.
You need a basket?
No.
No basket? Okay. Bottle holder.
Bottle holder.
You want to keep riding it?
Yeah.
All right. Success!